Hey guys, if you're trying to use the search bar on your Windows computer, but it's either not showing or not working, keep watching. In this video, I'll provide you with some quick and easy solutions. This is a straightforward fix, and you'll just need to go through each of these steps to find the solution that works for you. The first thing we're going to do is check that the search bar is actually enabled. Open the Start menu and search for Settings, then click on the Settings icon. In the left menu, scroll down to Personalization and select Taskbar. In the taskbar settings, make sure the search option is visible. You can select any of the three options, but I'm going to keep it set to search icon only, which will just display the icon at the bottom. While in the settings menu, go to Privacy and Security, scroll down to Searching Windows, and click on Advanced Indexing Options. Select the Advanced button, and under Troubleshooting, click Rebuild to delete and rebuild the index. When you get a pop-up message, click OK. You can now check to see whether your search bar is working. If it's still not fixed, move on to the next step. The next thing we'll do is search for Run in the Start menu and click the Run app. In the box that appears, type in services.msc and hit Enter. In the list of services, find Windows Search under the W's. Once you find it, double-click on it. Set the startup type to Automatic Delayed Start and ensure the service status is set to Running. If it's already running, it's a good idea to stop the service and then start it again by pressing the Start button. Once that's done, press Apply and OK to save the changes. Next, search for Task Manager in the Start menu and open it. In the Task Manager window, search for Windows Explorer. Once you find it, right-click and select Restart to restart the process. Once that's done, exit the Task Manager and return to the Start menu. Search for Run again and open the app. This time, type in Regedit and hit Enter. This will open the registry editor. Navigate to HKEY_current_user greater than software greater than Microsoft greater than Windows greater than current version greater than search. If you don't see a process called Bing Search enabled, right-click on a blank area and select New greater than word 32-bit value. Name it Bing Search enabled, capitalize each word, then double-click on it. Set the value data to 0 and click OK. Close the registry editor and check to see if the search feature is working again. If it's still not fixed, return to the Start menu and search for Run once more. Open the app and type in Regedit again to return to the registry editor. This time, go to HKEY_local_machine greater than system greater than current control it greater than services and find WhatMa service. Once you find it, click on it and in the right-hand pane, double-click on the start value. Change the value data from 224 and press OK to save the changes. The last step is to go back to the Start menu and search for Settings. Click on the Settings icon, then scroll down to Windows Update on the left and click Check for updates to ensure you're running the latest version of your operating system. Outdated software can also cause this issue, so make sure everything is up to date. At this point, I recommend restarting your computer. That should fix the problems you're having with the Windows search bar. If you're still experiencing issues, feel free to drop a comment below. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. Until next time.